Hey there, this is Jody, and this is just a quick preview of the weekly planner Notion template that I created. It is a freebie download that you can get totally free, and I will include a link to it below this video so you can grab it. So on this homepage, you can see we've got just navigation links for each of the weeks that you'll have in here. And below that, I have included space for to-do lists. So there's just a few toggle to-do lists where you can just put your general tasks and reminders and things. And then at the top, there are your top three priorities. So these are your current priorities, and as you'll see, there's a tab for the archive. So if I just open one of these priorities, if I click the archive button, you'll see it just disappeared from here. Like when I'm done, if I've done recording my 3 podcast episodes, I just click archive and it goes over here. So it's kind of handy to just keep your priorities clear and clean up here and streamlined, and then, without having to delete the whole card and all the information from the database. So I'll just go into week 1 sample to show you what is in here. There's just some journaling space at the top and space for notes. And then below that is an overview of your week and your plan for your tasks and what day of the week you're going to work on them. So what I like to do is I set up a table view for the full list of tasks. So I just brain dump and list everything I know I have to do in here, and I relate it back to the top three priorities that I'm currently focused on. I put my tasks in here. When you assign a day to it in this column right here, it will then show up in this weekly view. So as long as you don't assign a day to it, it's not going to show up for your week. You can set due dates ahead of time for everything. Just if you don't want to show up in the upcoming week, just leave the day, assigned day blank here. And then you'll see there's these urgency emojis. So these show up for various reasons. When, something's done and this status is marked as done, you'll see 3 check marks. If there's a task that you've set a due date for that is within 7 days or less, and the task has not been started, so the status says not started, these little fire emojis will show up because it's showing you have 7 days or less to do this and it's not even started. And then similarly, this one, if something is in progress and there are 7 days or less left until it's due, the clock emojis will show up. So also a bit of an urgency there. You've started this thing, you're working on it, but it's due within 7 days and not done. So just a little visual cue, and you'll see those here as well on your view for the week. Below that is a calendar view, so you can see everything. And below that, I have some habit tracking because it's nice to just track our habits every day and every week. So I've made space for each day of the week, and you can check them off as you go. And you see the progress bar goes up and shows you your progress. And when you've done it, you've completed it, all your habits, the little clapping emojis show up. So that is just a quick overview of the weekly planner.